Okay, today we are going to discuss rhythm. Okay, what is rhythm? Okay, rhythm refers to the flow, the breathing pattern, or simply the pulse in music. It uses different kinds of notes and rest. Rhythm also makes you tap your feet, clap your hands, nod your head, and swing your body. Okay, so since rhythm uses different kinds of notes, okay, we're going to sing the song, the note song. I have here a hollow head, a hollow head, a hollow head. I have here a hollow head, and we can call it whole note. Then we put a stem on it, a stem on it, a stem on it. Then we put a stem on it, and we can call it half note. Then we put a shade on it, a shade on it, a shade on it. Then we put a shade on it, and we can call it quarter note. Then we put a tail on it, a tail on it, a tail on it. Then we put a tail on it, and we can call it eighth note. Then we add a tail on it, a tail on it, a tail on it. Then we add a tail on it, and we can call it 16th note. Okay, so when you hear the word notes, what comes into your mind? Okay, notes are musical symbols for sounds. Each note represents a specific length of sound called time value. Okay, so we have different kinds of notes. Okay, we have whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note, and 16th note. Okay, how about rest? Okay, rest are musical symbols that represent silence. A rest signals musician to pause or to take a quick breath in a specific time duration. Okay, so we have different kinds of rest. We have whole rest, half rest, quarter rest, eighth rest, and 16th rest. Each note and rest has equivalent time value or number of beats. For whole note receives 4 beats of sounds. Half note receives 2 beats of sounds. Quarter note receives 1 beat of sound. Eighth note receives 1/2 beat of sound. And 16th note receive 1/4 beat of sound. Whole rest receives 4 beats of silence. Half rest receives 2 beats of silence. Quarter rest receives 1 beat of silence. Eighth rest receives 1/2 beat of silence, and 16th rest receives 1/4 beat of silence. Okay, is it important to know the time value or the number of beats of each note and rest? Of course, yes. Beat is used as a measure to regulate the duration of individual tone. It also serves as a guide in combining of various durations. Okay, so what is duration? Duration is the length of time during which a sound produces. Okay, now let us sing the song Magtanim ay Masaya. Magtanim ay Masaya is a Marinduque folk song. Magtanim ay masaya, lahat ay maligaya, katawa'y masisigla, hirap di alintana. Masaya ang magtanim, maraming aanihing, ani nasa bukirin at ating pagyamanin. Magtanim ay masaya, lahat ay maligaya, katawa'y masisigla, hirap di alintana. Masaya ang magtanim, maraming anim, ani nasa bukirin at ating pagyamanin. Here is the musical score of the song Magtanim ay Masaya. What are the notes used in the song? Okay, we have 8 note. Okay, what is the time value of 8 note? Okay, 8 note receives 1/2 beat of sound. What else? Okay, we also have quarter note. What is the time value of quarter note? Quarter note receives 1 beat of sound. What else? Okay, we also have half note. Okay, what is the time value of half note? Okay, the time value of half note is 2 beats of sounds. Do we have rest? Okay, we have half rest. Half rest receives 2 beats of silence. What else? Okay, we also have quarter rest. Quarter rest receives 1 beat of silence. Directions. Write true if the statement is correct, and write false if the statement is wrong. Okay, let us answer. For number 1, notes are musical symbols that represent sounds in music. The answer is true. For number 2, rest are musical symbols that represent silence in music. The answer is true. For number 3, each note and rest has no equivalent value. The answer is false. Number 4, a quarter note receives 2 beats. The answer is false. Number 5, 8 rest receives 1/2 beat. The answer is true. Okay, based from the lesson that we've discussed, what is note? What are the different kinds of notes and their time value? How about rest? What is rest? What are the different kinds of rest and their time value? The directions. Illustrate the musical symbol for each item, then write the corresponding time value after each symbol. Okay, let us answer. For number 1, 16th note. The time value is 1/4 beat. For number 2, whole note. And the time value 4 beats. For number 3, quarter note. And the time value is 1 beat. Next, number 4, quarter rest. And the time value is 1 beat. And last, 8 rest. And the time value is 1/2 beat. Okay, thank you for listening and God bless.